Happy Christmas from BBC Good Food. Here we're going to show you 3 very different ways to use leftover Christmas pudding. I'm going to show you a deep fried Christmas pudding ice cream bomb. Cassie?
I'm going to show you some delicious boozy Christmas pudding truffles.
Miriam?
And I'm going to be shaking up a Christmas pudding cocktail.
Right, so the first thing I've done is I've taken some Christmas pudding and I've put it between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Now it's important that it's parchment, not greaseproof, because it sticks to greaseproof, and I've just rolled it out. So here we've got a ball of ice cream that we froze yesterday, so it's solid. And then we're just going to use the paper and wrap the pudding. And you just unwrap it. To help the phyllo pastry stick, brush it with a bit of butter. You don't want too many layers because you want the pastry to cook through. And we're going to put it in very hot oil, and then what that oil is going to do is going to crisp up the pastry, heat up the pudding, and just melt the hard ice cream slightly. So I'm going to deep fry this. It's gone into oil, which is about 180, and we're just going to wait for this to go crisp.
While that's cooking, I'm going to show you my Christmas pudding truffles. So in a bowl here, I've just melted some dark chocolate with some double cream, and I've crumbled in some of my leftover Christmas pudding. To that, I'm just going to add a splash of booze from the cupboard, and you can add whatever you want. I've got some orange liqueur here. Just take it off the heat and just pop it aside for a couple of hours, and the chocolate will firm up and leave you with something that looks like this.
That's lovely.
So then you can just scoop that and roll it into whatever you like.
So the ice cream bomb has had a couple of minutes, and I'm just going to take that out and drain it onto some kitchen paper. Miriam?
I'm just making a simple syrup using same quantities of soft brown sugar and water, and then I need a little lump of leftover Christmas pudding and a cinnamon stick. Once that's warmed through, I just need to strain it off. I'm going to add some brandy. I throw in some whiskey.
Wow, that's boozy.
And some rum. And some cherry brandy as well to give it a bit more of a fruity kick. Shake it up with some ice. Add a little bit of clementine juice.
Oh, wow.
I've just put a cherry and a bay leaf on there. Dust it with a bit of icing sugar.
Yeah, while you've been doing that, I've just been rolling truffles in some chopped nuts and cocoa powder.
So the ice cream bomb has had about 2 minutes in really hot oil. I've just dusted it with icing sugar, and I'm going to cut into it. There you go.
Wow.
Beautiful melty ice cream. It's still quite cold in the middle. The ice cream's acted as a sort of custard. A drizzle of Miriam's lovely syrup. So here's my deep fried Christmas pudding ice cream bomb.
And my boozy Christmas pudding truffles.
And my Christmas pudding cocktail.
So have a very happy Christmas from BBC Good Food. Happy
Merry
Christmas!